Ballast solar mounting systems are popular among flat roof owners, as they are affordable, relatively easy and fast to install, and in most cases they keep the roof in great shape. Landpower Solar's east-west mount is a highly engineered and simple non-penetration solution that uses ballast as weights to secure solar panels on flat roofs. It is considered a safe and economical choice, as it doesn't require drilling multiple holes on the roof that are known to cause leakage issues. Also, it is made of fewer components that are pre-assembled at the factory, and so requires minimal tools and labour during installation. This significantly decreases installation time and costs at the project site. The double-side layout greatly reduces wind load and ensures effective use of the roof space with less shading to deliver high-powered generation, and is compatible with both framed and unframed panels. As panels are placed close to one another in this arrangement, it provides the optimal orientation to receive the maximum available sunlight for producing more electricity. The tilt angle of the triangular support can be flexibly custom designed or adjusted based on the installation conditions. All mounting components are made of high strength and corrosion resistant stainless steel and anodized aluminium alloy. They are guaranteed 20 years service life and backed by 10 years warranty.